Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sec4x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equal to 4 secant of 4x tan4x dx. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we can divide both sides by number 4. So this one in here we change by du over number 4. So this one we have u over 4 and we put about c. About u, that's about secant of 4x over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.